everyone, Scott from Hawkridge Systems, and what an amazing time we live in today. If you can imagine something, if you can visualize it in your head, then we can bring it to life easier and faster than ever before. So I had a simple idea. I wanted to take a composer step-by-step procedure, bring that into Visualize Professional, and render out a photorealism rendering. And so since SOLIDWORKS views drive both Composer and Visualize Pro, then I could bring in that animation into Visualize super easy, add my cameras, lighting, and some appearances, and render that out in a multitude of publications. So let's take a look how that's done. Let's start in Composer and show what we're going to be bringing into Visualize. All these procedural steps were actually created in SOLIDWORKS using exploded views and then imported into Composer. Composer is great for technical illustrations, assembly instructions, and even procedural animation. However, by design, it has a technical look and feel. I'm now switching to SOLIDWORKS to show the animated explode. This exploded animation will import into Composer, but an extra step is needed in order to get it into Visualize Professional. This is done in the SOLIDWORKS Motion module. From there, we can use a tool called the Animation Wizard to convert the exploded views into a timeline-based animation. Now the animation is ready to import into Visualize Professional. This is done using the Visualize add-in and will automatically open Visualize Professional with the animation loaded. We are now in Visualize, and from here it's easy to apply appearances and modify the elements such as lighting and camera movements. This animation looks nice, however, I'm not going for nice, I want stunning. Visualize allows import of multiple SOLIDWORKS assemblies and even other Visualize projects. This means I can bring in a 3D environment from SOLIDWORKS and show the assembly of this entertainment system in a residential space. I can also bring in other Visualize animations and create a virtual 3D environment intended for virtual reality and augmented reality publication. With a little bit of creativity, SOLIDWORKS Visualize Professional can bring any idea to life. So if you would like to know exactly how this process was done, check out our breakdown video on our YouTube page. And remember, if you can imagine it, you can visualize it.